In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create views and sections in AutoCAD. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Start by switching to a Layout tab so you are working in paper space. This is where you set up the sheet that contains your viewports and annotations. Once you're in the layout, look for the Create View panel on the ribbon. Open the section dropdown to begin the section creation process. You have 3 section types to choose from: full, offset, or aligned. Full cuts straight through the model and shows a single continuous section. Offset lets you create a stepped or jogged section line when a single straight cut won't capture the features you need. Aligned follows an existing line or geometry, so the section view lines up with a specific element of your drawing. Choose the type that best represents the portion of the drawing you want to reveal. After selecting a type, define the section line. Click the parent view you want to cut. Then click points on the drawing to define the path of the section line. For simple straight cuts, you might click 2 points. For more complex paths, keep clicking to add vertices. When you have completed the path, press Enter to finalize it. As you click, AutoCAD previews the section line so you can adjust before committing. Next, position the generated section view. A preview of the section follows your cursor. Place that preview where you want the new section to sit on the layout and click to drop it. Be mindful of scale and alignment relative to other views on your sheet, so the new section integrates cleanly with your drawing set. Once the view is placed, use the contextual section view creation ribbon that appears. This ribbon lets you set depth to control how far the cut extends into the model. Select a hatch pattern and scale for the cut material, and add labels or tags, such as AA, to identify the section. These properties help communicate intent and maintain clarity for anyone reading the drawing. When you're satisfied with the preview, the placement, and the settings in the ribbon, click OK to finish and commit the section view to the layout. A quick tip: before finalizing, check the view scale and layer visibility so that hidden lines, annotations, and hatches appear as expected. That's all there is to it: creating clear, informative section views right in your layout.